It's no news to any of us lacquer lovers that the matte look is back in a big way. And now we can get the look we're all lusting for using all OPI products. Say hello to the OPI Matte Top Coat. Just look how a few brush strokes can completely make over these iconic lacquer shades. And that's why the Matte Top Coat is so great. It lets you reinvent practically every shade in your collection. We also love using our Matte Top Coat for nail design. Today I'm going to walk you through one of our favorite looks, the matte French. To start, paint your nails with colored lacquer as you normally would. Start with the base coat first, then apply 2 coats of color. We prefer darker or bolder cream shades when going matte, so here we're using the OPI Classic Black Onyx. But this look also is great with a rich burgundy like Malaga wine, or even a soft shade like Care to Dance. Once the lacquer is completely dry, and it must be or else the top coat can bubble or pull up the color beneath it, brush on an even layer of the matte top coat. Let it dry, and then finish off with another swipe of Black Onyx across the tip of the nail. Some of you will be able to manage this freehand, but if you think you need a bit more help getting that perfect smile line, just use a thin piece of masking tape as your guide. Don't forget to cap the edges. And voila! Here is our matte French mani. Here are a few more nail designs we did using our matte top coat. All of these looks are extremely doable even if you aren't an expert nail artist. Just check out our album on Facebook to learn how to recreate them. And remember to share your matte looks with us. Tweet us at OPI Products, post to our Facebook wall, or tag your pin with #OPIMatteTC.